Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tiramisu cake at home using an easy method. We will start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, then prepare the essential coffee and liqueur mixture. Next, I will guide you through assembling the delicious layers of this classic Italian dessert. Finally, we will cover the crucial chilling process to ensure your tiramisu is perfectly set and ready to enjoy. This simple approach makes a delightful treat accessible to everyone. For our creamy mascarpone filling, you will need 6 large egg yolks and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, whisked until pale and thick. Gently fold in 1 pound of mascarpone cheese until just combined. For the essential coffee dip, brew 1 1/2 cups of strong espresso or dark roast coffee. Once cooled, stir in 2 tablespoons of coffee liqueur or dark rum for an authentic flavor. This combination creates the perfect base for our ladyfingers. Now let's assemble our tiramisu. Take each ladyfinger and quickly dip it into the cooled coffee mixture, counting to about 2 seconds per side to prevent sogginess. Arrange a single, even layer of these dipped ladyfingers in an 8 by 8 inch baking dish. Next, spread half of your prepared mascarpone cream evenly over the ladyfingers. Repeat this process, creating a second layer of dipped ladyfingers and finishing with the remaining mascarpone cream on top. Smooth it out nicely. The final, crucial step is chilling. Cover your assembled tiramisu tightly with plastic wrap or aluminum foil. Place it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, but for the absolute best flavor and firmest texture, chilling it overnight is highly recommended. Just before serving, generously dust the top with unsweetened cocoa powder using a fine mesh sieve. Then, simply slice and enjoy your perfectly set, homemade, and incredibly delicious tiramisu cake. It's truly a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.